If you're using the motorway trunk road network in Wales, you may travel through road tunnels. Whilst road tunnels in Wales are as safe as any other section of the network, the consequences of an incident in a tunnel can be significantly more serious due to their enclosed nature. This film shows you what you should do if you break down within one of the tunnels and why when using the tunnels you should always obey the instructions from the voice messages, signs and signals, both outside and within the tunnel. The messages and signs are there to keep you and those responding to incidents safe and prevent further incidents. If you experience difficulties in a tunnel, you should do your best to continue travelling forwards out of the tunnel. If this is not possible, you should pull over to the left-hand curb as far as possible and turn your front wheels to the left. Switch on your vehicle's hazard warning lights and side lights. Turn off the ignition, but leave the key in the vehicle and exit the vehicle by the left-hand door. Ensure your passengers do the same. Wait on the near side walkway as a group at a safe distance in front of a vehicle. Do not stand or let anybody else stand between your vehicle and oncoming traffic. Do not put yourself in danger by attempting even the simplest of repairs. If you have animals with you, they should remain in the vehicle. As mobile phones may not work in the tunnels, the vehicle driver should go to the nearest free emergency telephone that will automatically connect to the traffic management centre. Using the emergency telephone will assist the control room staff to quickly identify your location and arrange assistance. When talking to the operator, always face oncoming traffic to improve audio clarity. Unaccompanied children should remain with the driver when going to report the breakdown. The phones are located in emergency panels in the near side walls of the tunnels. These panels are highlighted by illuminated SOS signs positioned above them. Open the door marked SOS and lift the receiver. The call will connect automatically. The tunnels are equipped with a tannoy system from which emergency instructions may be given. The Traffic Management Centre control room monitors the tunnels 24 hours, 7 days a week and is equipped with an instant detection system that can pick up potential harmful events in tunnels. After reporting the incident, when asked to do so, please return and wait at a safe distance in front of your vehicle. If the control room rings back, a beacon will illuminate above the nearest emergency panel. Welsh Government traffic officers patrol the M4 and A55 7 days a week between the hours of 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. and are most likely to respond to incidents within the tunnels during these times. Outside of these hours, the emergency services will respond. Traffic officers have been specially trained to respond to events of this nature and you should be guided by their instructions. If it is practical to do so, the traffic officers will tow the vehicle to a place of safety. Where it is not possible to tow a vehicle, recovery will be arranged through a specialist contractor. So, if you experience difficulties or have a breakdown in a tunnel, remember, if possible, continue your journey to a place of safety outside of the tunnel. If this is not possible, pull over to the curb on the left-hand side as far as possible, preferably near an emergency panel. Put on your vehicle hazard warning lights and side lights and turn the front wheel to the left. Turn off the ignition but leave the key in the vehicle. When safe to do so, driver and passenger should leave the vehicle by the left side doors and wait at a safe location on the near side walkway in front of the vehicle. Animals should remain in the vehicle. Children should be closely supervised at all times. Locate the nearest SOS handset and contact the control room. Remember to face oncoming traffic when speaking to the operator. Follow the control room and traffic officer instructions at all times. The Welsh road tunnels are used by thousands of vehicles every day without incident. However, in the event of an incident, following these instructions will help to keep both you and your travelling companions safe and allow the incident to be resolved as quickly as possible.